Hello YouTube. This is my Gotway gyro stabilized electric unicycle. It's great. The pedals fall down, you stand on them and you roll. But there's a few problems. So, this is my foot. And when you do this, that doesn't feel good. This shoe is too big for this pedal, but there's a solution. I said, but there's a solution. I just got this box from Hong Kong. Let's see what's in it. Looks like we've got some grip tape, and here they are. I'm gonna call these the Dragon pedals. They are huge, custom-made pedals for Gotway electric unicycles. Look at the size difference. These things are night and day difference. My buddy KA Chun on Facebook sent these over to me. I wish Gotway would make pedals this big for all their unicycles. For Westerners or people with big feet like me, these are super awesome. So my shoe size is a size 13 in America, and I don't know, what is that in European? 13. 46 in European size. And so for me, these pedals are the perfect size. So let's get these installed and see if we can see how it feels. All right guys, so we had a bit of a problem extracting the little pedal rod, but we finally got this guy out. Check out my other videos to document what happened there. So in the meantime, I went ahead and ordered this custom carbon fiber style molding. I'm gonna put this on the bottom here. This is an idea courtesy of Super Sport. I'm just a little bit worried that since these are so big, it's gonna scratch very easily, and these are expensive, so I just wanna protect them so they will survive the rest of my unicycling career. All right, on to the next step. Grip tape. So we've got the grip tape on now with these little spiky things. Should be tons of grip. The next step is we have to put these magnets in, and I think that these are just like much larger, much stronger magnets. It'll help hold the pedal when it's up, I guess. Probably this magnet is not strong enough to do it. So let's go ahead and open up and put these magnets in. So I was out of silicone, but I went ahead and just put the stronger magnets in there and used Gorilla Glue, so hopefully this will work. So we're gonna let this cure for a bit, and then we'll seal it back up and put the pedals on. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, so we've got these guys fully installed now. They are massive. They're gonna be awesome. Check them out compared to the default ones. You can see that these are huge compared to the originals. As far as size goes, across these are just under 8.5 inches. And these guys at the widest are just over 11 inches, looks like. Just under 6 inches and just under 5 inches. So about 3 inches longer and about 1 inch wider. Because it's an extra inch this way, it's probably just gonna scrape a little bit more. So hopefully this part will catch the scrapes a little bit. Let's check out the radius. So if I turn this on, so normally I think it cuts out just after the pedals touch. And I should have left it, but yeah, that's gonna scrape quite a bit on sharp turns, I think. So it cuts out there. So definitely more of it comes in contact with the ground before it cuts out, but I think it should be good enough. It is dark and rainy outside, and I wanna test these pedals, so we're gonna do a few zoomies in the hallway. Don't tell my neighbors. So wow, these pedals are a game changer. It's the first time I've had most of my toes actually on the pedal themselves. I can definitely feel the acceleration when I lean forward, and the traction is awesome. Holy studs. So let's keep doing some tests. I'm gonna go inside and do some tests off of the little ledge I have inside. You're like glued in there.
Reposition my feet.
No, once you get in, you're glued in.
Can I scrape it?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, I get it. That wasn't too bad.
You scraped it?
Yeah, but you have something on the bottom of it?
Yeah, exactly. So
I
I have.
felt that. Yeah, that's
Oh, okay, good. It works.
that pedal, the extended pedal. Yeah, it scrapes just a little bit,
A little more.
but not nothing crazy. I don't turn that aggressive.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't reposition my feet on it.
Yeah, once you're in there, you gotta stop and ride one footed maybe.
Yeah, I like it though. I don't want to say it's too much pedal.
It might be, it's close.
You can't have too much pedal, that's awesome.
What, are they from BMX or?
I don't know what they're from. Some guy from Hong Kong sent me.
That's just giving you way more freedom.
So smooth. Dude, epic.
You like it? So yeah, that's all I have for now, guys. Definitely gonna make a lot more content in the future riding on this unicycle with these huge pedals. They are super comfortable. Look into getting bigger pedals, either buying these huge ones or modifying them to make them yourself. I can never go back to normal pedals after riding this. I'll see you guys later.